Dear students, today we will solve the numerical 1.2 of chapter number 1. This numerical states the answer of the problem 1.1 in scientific notation. We have got the answer of the problems here. For example, number of seconds in a day are 86,400 seconds, and number of seconds in a week are 6,04,800 seconds, and number of seconds in a month are 25,92,000. So to write a number in a scientific notation, the scientific notation has a definition that there is only one non-zero digit before the decimal. Okay, you must have learned this definition while you were learning the chapter number 1 physics. So it means that the decimal, if it is not represented, then it is at the end of every number, and we have to move this decimal towards the left, and it is after 6 and before 8. We put the decimal here. Okay, it means that it can be written as 8.64 and 00. And since we have moved the decimal 4 digits towards left, we will have to multiply this with 10 to the power 4. And since the units are second, we will write the seconds with it. So it means that, and we are also very familiar that the zeros at the end after the decimal on the right side, they can be omitted. So the answer can be written as 8.64 into 10 to the power 4 second. Similarly, for the number of seconds in a week, the decimal is here after the last zero, and we will have to move the decimal towards left, and we will move it before 6. So it can be written as 6.04 and 800 seconds. Okay, since we have multiplied this, since we have moved the decimal 5 digits towards left, so we will have to multiply this with 10 to the power 5, and the units are seconds, so we will write S here. Also, we can write it as it is 6.048. We can also omit the zeros after the decimal when they are on the right side, and to 10 to the power 5. This is the answer to the number of seconds in 1 week. Now we move to the C part of this question. There are 25,92,000 seconds. So since we have to write it in scientific notation, we will move the decimal, which is at the end of the last zero, from here towards left, and we will write the decimal before 2. It means that we will have to move the decimal 6 digits towards life. So by putting the decimal before 2, we can write it as 2.592. Since we have moved 6 digits, so we will write it as 10 to the power 6 and seconds. I have not written the 3 zeros towards right because they can be omitted when we are writing in the powers of 10. So the number of so in scientific notations, the number of seconds in a month can be written as 2.592 into 10 to the power 6. Thank you very much. See you in next lesson.